everyone. Our Smriti Verma is going to share the video on data integrity with you. So let's get started with this. So let's start. First of all, what is data integrity? Data integrity is the component of relational data model. Data integrity facilities are included to specify some business rules that maintain the integrity of data when they are manipulated. Data integrity is the maintenance and the assurance of accuracy and consistency of data over its entire life cycle. And it is the critical aspect to the design, implementation, and usage of any system which stores, processes, or retrieves data. Okay, data integrity ensures that data is recorded exactly as intended, and upon later retrieval ensure the data is same as it was when it was recorded. In short, we can say that data integrity aims to prevent unintentional changes to information. Please don't get confused with data security and data integrity, they both are different. I hope you are clear with this. Now, moving on to the next slide, that is types of data integrity. There are basically two types of data integrity. One is logical data integrity, and another one is physical data integrity. So, let's discuss the physical integrity first. Physical integrity deals with challenges associated with correctly storing and fetching data itself. There are some challenges also with physical integrity, like we can say some faults, design flaws, material fatigue, corrosion, and some natural disasters, we can say, right? Physical integrity, we can say, often makes extensive use of error detecting algorithm known as error correcting codes, which we have studied, right? Ensuring physical integrity includes method such as redundant hardware, interruptible some power supply, and certain types of RAID, that is redundant array of independent disk, which we have studied. That or we can say RAID levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 7 RAID levels we have studied. Now, next, moving on to the next is logical integrity. Logical integrity is concerned with the correctness or rationality of some piece of data. Here in this, there are 3 types of integrity we can see: domain integrity, referential integrity, and entity integrity. This concern involves ensuring that the data makes sense given its environment. Challenges include some software bugs, design flaws, and human errors. Now, where the data integrity is, yes, of course, database. So, data integrity contains some guidelines for data retention, specifying or guaranteeing the length of time data can be retained in a particular database. Now, you might be thinking, what is retention? Retention means storing something or keeping something for some particular amount of time. Data integrity also includes some rules defining the relations a piece of data can have, or the data we have stored, what is the relation between them, or relation between the tables, like customer record being allowed to link with the purchase, purchase with the products with the customers, products with consumers, and etc. Now, coming to the next is types of constraints. Yeah, there are 3 types of constraint: entity integrity constraint, referential integrity, and domain integrity, which we have seen in logical integrity. Now, what do you mean by domain integrity? First of all, what is domain? A domain is a set of values which are of same type. So, data integrity specifies that all columns in a relational data must be declared upon a defined domain. Next is referential integrity, concerns the concept of a foreign key. The referential integrity rule says that any foreign key value can only be one of 2 states. And next is entity integrity, concerns the concept of a primary key. Entity integrity is an integrity rule which states that every table must have a primary key. That's it. These are 3 types of which I have not explained you in a brief, but these are some basics definition. Now, if so, having a single well controlled and well defined data integrity system increases its stability, performance, reusability, and maintainability also becomes easier. Now, where the data integrity use? Yes, of course, in industrial use, for Food and Drug Administration has created draft guidance on a data integrity. For pharmaceutical manufacturers and the designing of drugs, some special researches, scientific researches, and everywhere the database is required with data integrity, and every database should maintain a data integrity. So I hope you are clear with it, and I tried my level best to explain you what is data integrity. Thank you.